This bike is a direct replica of KTM's factory Dakar Rally machine, a motorcycle that has dominated the Dakar Rally for decades, and only 150 units were produced worldwide. The KTM 450 Rally Replica is not your average adventure bike. This machine is a true Dakar-inspired rally weapon built directly from KTM's championship-winning DNA. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike so special. The 2026 version was officially unveiled by KTM on June 5th, 2025, immediately capturing the attention of adventure and rally enthusiasts around the world. Global orders opened shortly after the launch, but production is extremely limited, with only around 150 units available worldwide. Powered by a 449.3 cubic centimeters single-cylinder SOHC engine paired with a 6-speed transmission, the KTM 450 Rally Replica is purpose-built to conquer deserts, rocky terrain, mud, and the toughest rally stages imaginable. It features premium WP-Zacked Pro suspension, Brembo brakes, and a lightweight chromoly frame, making it highly competitive even for professional rally racing. The fuel tank is also massive, holding around 34.5 to 35 liters, perfect for long rally stages without frequent refueling stops. One of the biggest strengths of this bike is its pure Dakar racing DNA. The handling remains stable at high speeds. The suspension is top tier. The bike feels relatively lightweight for a rally machine, and the riding position is designed for extreme long-distance endurance. Many rally riders consider it one of the best customer rally bikes ever built. Of course, the bike also has some drawbacks. It's not designed for everyday city riding. The seat height is very tall, maintenance costs can be expensive, and the engine character is heavily focused on rally competition. On top of that, because production numbers are so limited, spare parts, and even the bike itself can be difficult to find in some countries. As for the price, the KTM 450 Rally Replica starts at around £33,000, which is approximately $42,000 US. Meanwhile, the special factory edition can exceed $54,000 US, making it one of the most expensive production rally bikes. Despite its high price tag, the KTM 450 Rally Replica remains a dream machine for adventure and rally enthusiasts because it delivers an experience incredibly close to riding an actual Dakar factory bike. This is not a motorcycle built for casual touring. It's built to conquer some of the harshest terrain on Earth.